Okay, Susan, you wanted a rose arch. Is it according to your standard?
It certainly is.
It looks rustic.
It's rustic and it's going to be beautiful when the climbing roses are over it.
I have the rose actually, I can plant it now.
That's it, yeah, perfect.
Stand there and just take a picture. So today I received two Gertrude Jekyll roses, climbing roses, and I'm going to plant them now. This is from David Austin, reputable rose company in the UK, and it was very difficult to get any of this. Even they didn't have it. This year, COVID year, is really difficult to get any supplies for agriculture and farming and gardening. So let's get these things and see how it is. Okay, it's raining, Susan. Can you remove it quick?
Yes, I will remove it.
Take it out, the bare root. There is another thing inside.
What's that thing?
It must be guide or some material or brochure or something. Oh, okay, that's a guide for it. Okay, that's good. We keep it. Oh, okay. Yeah, the bare root. But to make sure that they are not outcompeted by the thing, I have that membrane cover around them. So we have to cut and separate these two. This is the finished rose arch. And I have planted 4 roses here. 2 Gertrude Jekyll, one is here and the other one is there, and 2 more roses here, which the name is hidden somewhere here. One is the Compassion and the other one must be here somewhere. Yeah. Arthur Bell Climber. All of these roses are aromatic with lovely fragrance. So I'm looking forward to this. This is the lovely day. Rain is going also to water them. I'll cover them with a weed suppressing membrane, then on top of it some wood chip, which was the result of cutting the conifer here. So nice day.